Welcome everybody. We're doing another episode of Happy Hackers. We're going to work on a DIY project for St. Patrick's Day. And today we're going to work on this one, yeah. Looks good. Yeah, looks good. I think we can do it. We're hackers, so we're going to do our best. About the things that you're going to need a pool noodle, some zip ties, some beer mugs, some flowers, candies to go into the beer mugs, and assorted St. Patty's Day things that we're going to use.
So let's get started. I think this goofy hat might fall off the middle of it, so I think I'm getting rid of mine. So let's do it. Okay,
Let's get
so
started.
I think
All right.
if we fold this in half.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna grab the zippy tie.
And do you put the mugs in first? Or?
No, we'll just do this. So we're just gonna fold the pool noodle in half and then just wrap the end of the pool noodle with the zip tie. We're just putting one into the other.
Yeah. And of course, I have to learn how to do these little fuckers.
The magic sound. Okay.
And then we put it down on the end.
Here it is. So now we have the pool noodle like that, attached together.
Right.
Perfect. Last time we used candle holders and they were nice and thin, so I don't know how well beer mugs are going to work, but for St. Patty's Day we thought they'd be cute. So let's just slide that in there as much as we can. We'll have them facing outwards maybe, like this.
Maybe we should put a little scroll.
Yeah, we need another zip tie in the middle there.
But we want it centered, right?
Yeah. Should we put a zip tie here just so it's completely even? Otherwise this is sort of fat. So let's pick them up for a second and just put one on the end here so they
What if we cut it?
cut it. Sure. We're gonna cut it. Just so they're
I hope
exactly
it
the
works
same.
because we only have one.
So now they're exactly the same on both sides.
They are. See that?
Okay, so now it's completely even on both sides. So then we can put the beer inside. So let's see if they'll go in.
Perfect.
Okay.
Ooh, that's that. Woo. Look at that. I would put them a little close because what are you going to put in here? Oh yeah, you're going to put a zip tie.
Yeah.
Smack.
Oh, it's the right way. Yes. So if you put it in the other way and you don't hear the little clicky clicky noise, it's not going to catch. So you got to hear that zipper sound.
You learn the hard way.
Okay, so throw that. Beer mugs inside the pool noodle. Yeah, okay.
Looks fantastic.
Now we decorate. So let's just start with clipping the tops of the flowers off. We want just a little, how much? Let's go about here.
Is that going to be long enough?
Let's see. So that one's about this long. Stick it in.
Maybe not.
There, so that's one.
That's beautiful.
So we'll just go and clip all the flowers.
So we've got some of these sticks and we've gotten also some of these little clovers that are adhesive on the back. And I have been putting them on the stick, and the sticks will also be going into the pool noodle. So to make a beautiful little
Cute.
insert that's going
Aw,
to
that's so cute.
Yeah.
It is. They just stuck together and then we can stick them in. So let's just put them here in. So let's do all the gold first, maybe, and then stick in all the green stuff after. Does that sound good?
Well, I think actually I think we should put this on first.
Oh, right. So we have this lei. We cut it, but then as soon as you cut one of these leis, all the things fall off. So we kept one end and stuck that one in. So we're just going to wrap this kind of around it.
Do your magic, right? Well, I think that, or kind of around something like this instead. Bring it around.
Okay. Looks good. All sort of
I know it's
snaky
too
here.
much over here. It's so much better.
Was it?
No. Have a
What
sit
if
this
we
way.
used one for each side
So it doesn't
instead
have
of
to go all
both
the
of
way.
them. So then it just fills in there and it fills in
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
Yeah, smart,
Okay.
smart. So what, show us stuff.
So this is.
See, we're hackers, so it's, you know, we're just trying different
hacking our own
things,
thing,
see what looks best.
Stick it in. It hides the beer a bit, but that gives us on this side and then all the way across on that side step.
Oh, okay.
And then tuck that little piece in right in there. And then that fills in those holes. And then you can do the same for this one. What do you think?
Yeah, we wanted to try different ways, and this is
Yeah.
what we landed on. It seemed to work the best.
There, so now it kind of looks like that.
Yeah, very pretty.
Sound good? Okay.
Very.
And then we're gonna fill these with chocolate, but we got some chocolate coins,
Yeah.
but we didn't get a lot of them, so I don't think it's gonna fill one. So what we can do is, we found this material from our other project that we did at Christmas time. We're just gonna put this in the bottom, right, like that, and then we can add the chocolate after.
Yeah.
We'll just stick
Yeah.
those in there for now.
Yeah.
So let's just start putting flowers in.
Yeah.
This one start. Okay.
Flower time.
Flower time. Just randomly stick them in the front,
very much.
side, back. It's a lot of yellow now. The green's on the top, which is nice, because we started with that around the mugs. Now we've got yellows, and so let's just start putting in all these little things we have. You want to do these first? I don't know how tall we want them, because they're different heights, so we can make those at different heights. So a couple in the front, a couple in the back. Maybe a little
So
lower.
cute.
This is a short one. Let's go right here and all in front of all these yellow flowers. Kind of work.
Yeah, I think they're supposed to be probably coasters, right?
Maybe.
That's one side done.
Yeah.
And now we will do the next. This
So we'll just put these ones aside. So that one works. Yeah, just do two of those. That's
Okay,
good.
cool.
That looks good. Okay, so while you're doing that, I'm gonna take this
Where's
apart.
the stick?
This is a nice little headband.
Wow.
But I'm not gonna wear it. I'm gonna use it to take it apart. I'm gonna
I'm
take
gonna
off
make
these,
this
each
alone.
of these little things off and hopefully use them. They're not very long now.
Oh.
So,
That's okay. Sometimes things
That
are not
didn't
going to work.
All right, well, let's put some of
Okay.
these on.
all right, you've got some little
There's
brats.
little clovers are actually like little hairbrets. So they snap right in onto some of the leaves or the foliage or anything that.
They're my favorite. These little things are my favorite.
They're very
They're
cute.
little hats, they're little brats.
Yeah.
Now we have just these little gold things. We're just gonna sit them. We've sat one there. I'm just gonna sit another one kind of wherever. Yeah, and that's about it. Some of these things, we got this. It didn't really work because we couldn't get the headband to break. So we'll just have to wear them.
We'll just have to wear them.
We'll just have
This
to
one's
wear them.
broken.
That one's really messed up. And we just gotta finish off with the coins.
Yeah,
so
we're
let's
just
mix a
gonna
few
finish.
gold ones with some of the green ones.
Okay, like a coin salad.
So- And there it is.
Great. Great job, ladies. Thanks for joining us. If you like the video, please like us and subscribe and join us for our next episode of Happy Hackers. Happy St. Patrick's Day,
Happy St. Patrick's
everybody.
Day.